writing. You can share updates about what you're doing, thinking, watching, or listening to. It's like Twitter, but cooler and more personal. Now, get this. There are two main feeds on NoPlace. You've got your friends feed where you see what your buddies are up to, but then there's this global feed where you can see updates from everyone on the app. But wait, there's more. I know I sound like an infomercial, but seriously, this is cool stuff. They've got AI working behind the scenes to make your experience even better. It gives you personalized suggestions and even summarizes updates you might have missed. There's also a moderated feed for users under 18, and they've got a whole team making sure everything stays cool and safe. The mastermind behind this innovative concept is Tiffany Zhang. She's got a background in social apps and investments, and she basically looked at what's out there and thought, we can do better than this. Gen Z is absolutely loving it. It's like NoPlace has tapped into this perfect mix of nostalgia for the old days of social media and the high-tech, personalized experience that young people want today. It looks like the future of social media is here, and it's surprisingly text-based. Who would have thought? But what do you think? Is this the next big thing or just another app that'll be forgotten in a month? All right, now, there's this crazy new AI tool that's blowing people's minds. It's called WebSam AI, and it does something pretty wild. It creates fake websites out of thin air based on whatever you type in. So here's how it works. You go to this website, websam.ai, and you log in with your Google account. Then you just type in whatever kind of website you want to see. It could be something totally bonkers, like a website selling bottled air from the moon. The AI whips up a whole fake website for you, complete with menus, images, and sometimes even working links. Now, the really interesting part is that you can choose which AI model you want to use. By default, it uses something called Claude 3.5 Sonnet, which is like super advanced, but you can also switch to GPT-4o if you prefer. These are basically the top of the line AI models right now, so I gave it a try, right? And let me tell you, it's pretty addictive. I started off by asking for a website about nothing, and, well, the AI kind of missed my Seinfeld reference, but it still came up with something. It's wild how fast it works. In just a few seconds, you've got a whole fake website loaded up. One thing I noticed is that sometimes the images take a bit longer to generate, so if you don't see them right away, just be patient or try switching tabs in your browser. It's like magic when they finally appear. I also tried some other prompts, like an e-commerce site about the meaning of life. And get this, the AI came up with product names, descriptions, and even prices. It's kind of mind-blowing when you think about it. Oh, and here's a fun one. I asked it to create YouTube in the year 2045. The AI totally ran with it, creating everything futuristic and crazy. It's like getting a glimpse into an alternate reality or something, all right? But what's the point of all this?